Thanks for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. Today we have Mr. Jambunath, the Director of Manav Marketing Pvt Limited. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience at Drone Expo and what products they are showcasing at today. Hello sir, glad to have you here. Let's not waste your much time. So could you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Jambunath from Manav Marketing. Manav Marketing started in 1992 from our MD, Mr. S.K. Mahadevan, to support the customers with, imported machines. So we deal with the machines for making the parts for drones, aerospace parts, automotive parts, and we import this machine and we give a total solution to customer. That is our strength. And we have close to around 6,000 installations in South India. We have a full team for sales and service, and we stock the spares also.
So which products or solution you are showcasing at Drone Expo?
Here, CNC machines, that is basically, 3-axis, 4-axis and 5-axis CNC machines, which can make the parts for drones. So we are here to showcase that to support the drone manufacturing team.
Okay, sir. So in your views, what is your USP, which keeps you unique from others?
See, our USP is these machines are, very good quality and brand. They are, world famous brands like Haas, then Nakamura Tomy, and then Kiwa. Then, many of the imported brands are there to support the customers for consistent results. And we have full support of sales and service with spare parts stockage for immediate, support for continuous running of the machines.
That's a wonderful thing, sir. Do you have any message you want to convey to the visitors, customers exploring your booth?
Yeah. So anybody who is looking for, machining of their parts, we can support them with our machines and we can train their team for how to do the parts. And we can give support of sales service for a long term. That is our strength. So you can always approach us. We have a tech center in Pinya with showcasing the demo of these machines. Thank you.
That's nice talking to you, sir. I hope you have the great experience in Drone Expo in Bangaluru. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Look forward to
Thank
meet
you.
Next edition as well.
Thank you.